Hi my friends, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Legacy Stacker, and today I'm going to perform an unboxing for you for a package I just received. So enjoy. And as we begin with this unboxing today, let me know down in the comments, have you been stacking silver? At the same time today, we'll be reviewing my progress on my Monster Box Challenge. Come for the coins and stay for the unboxing. But first, to the computer.
Now, here at the SD Bullion website, today is Monday, May 27th, 2024, and happy Memorial Day, my friends. For anyone listening who has served, thank you for your service. My father was in the Army for part of his career, so I have a lot of respect for the military. The silver spot price is $30.53. The gold spot price is $2,344, which gives us a gold to silver ratio of 76-1.
Hi my friends. As you can tell, I've made a decision to keep my identity anonymous on this channel for security reasons. Please feel free to participate in my Million Subscribers Challenge by clicking on the subscribe button below. Do you really want to know who I am? If so, please click on the subscribe button below, and when I reach 1 million subscribers, I will move from behind the camera to in front of the camera. That's my challenge to you. Subscribing to my channel won't cost a thing, and most of all, thank you.
Here's the disclaimer. Hi, my friends. If you've enjoyed the content of my channel and you're interested in collecting and stacking silver coins, you may want to check out my playlists on my Legacy Stacker channel. You can go to my Legacy Stacker homepage by clicking on the Legacy Stacker gold coin right here. Then at the homepage, you can click on the Playlists tab right here. As you can see, I've created over 15 playlists on my channel, so you can check out everything from my Morgan Silver Dollar collection, my Constitutional playlist, or even my most recent or most popular videos. Also, some interesting topics such as my Millionaire series, dividend stocks, or even the Fun Shows playlists. Also, did you know you can subscribe to my channel just by clicking on this Legacy Stacker gold coin right here at the bottom right hand of the screen? How easy is that?
Okay, the reason I bought these 7 American Silver Eagles was because I was offered 1 American Silver Eagle at spot, and I bought 7 in total so that I could get the free shipping. At the same time, I bought these 2 tubes of American Silver Eagles plus 13, so the 3rd tube was not full, from my son. Yes, my son is now stacking as well. I'm so glad I could pass stacking on to the next generation. The 7 American Silver Eagles I purchased helped me to fill up that 3rd tube. And now I can add these 3 tubes of American Silver Eagles to my monster box. I have at least 1 tube of American Silver Eagles for each year since I've been collecting them. I now have 1 tube of 1987s and 1 tube of 2019s, signifying the first year I started stacking silver. I have 1 tube of 2020s, which signifies the first year I started collecting silver coins. And if you'd like to view my Morgan Silver Dollar playlist, I'll leave a link right up here so you can check it out. I also have 1 tube of 2021s that is of type 1, and I have another 2 tubes of American Silver Eagles that are type 2s from 2021, since they minted both that year in 2021. Moving on, I have 2 tubes of 2022s now, and 3 tubes from 2023, since that was the first time I was able to get them for under $600 a tube. And I also have 2 tubes of 2024s, and 1 final tube now, a mixed tube of different dates of American Silver Eagles. So in total, I have 14 tubes of American Silver Eagles, and I'm well on my way to the 25 tubes that will make up this monster box in order to meet this challenge. I should also mention that I sold 2 of my 10-ounce Scottsdale Mint bars to take the pricing edge off of my last couple of gold purchases, but I still do have 1 10-ounce Scottsdale Mint bar. And of course, I have 1 kilo Scottsdale Mint bar, 2, and the 3rd stacker, kilo bars. So I wasn't about to give them up. So in total, it's over 380 ounces of silver, or over $13,000 worth of silver in this monster box. Since a monster box holds 500 ounces of silver, with this 380 ounces of silver, I'm nearly 80% of the way to my goal to meet this monster box challenge. Now, with the high spot price of silver, I'm not sure when I'll be able again to buy more American Silver Eagles to complete this monster box challenge, so I wanted to bring this update to you today. But stay tuned as I navigate the spot price of silver and the premiums on American Silver Eagles as time goes on. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing and my American Silver Eagle Monster Box Challenge update. Stay tuned to my channel, my friends, for more unboxings with both silver and gold topics. I hope this video has motivated you to continue stacking silver. If you would like to send me a letter, a sticker, or even silver or gold, my address is right here, and of course, in the description down below. Anything I receive, I will review on the channel, as these items will be my most precious possessions. And I can promise you, anything I receive, I will never sell. They will remain in my Legacy Stacker Forever collection. This week's YouTube channel shout out of the week goes to City Stacker. The reason I wanted to give this shout out to City Stacker is because he set up a notification service as part of his newsletter, and it works beautifully. Here's a link to his service, citystacker.substack.com. I received an email notification when the next bullion item came up for sale at Costco. Since these items usually sell out in a matter of hours, it helps to know exactly when they go on sale. I'll cover what I bought at Costco online thanks to City Stacker's notification service in an upcoming video. And I'll also include a link to City Stacker's channel in the description. And always remember, my friends, silver and gold, it's wealth you can hold in your hands.